Good morning. My name is Praveen, and I would like to go through the prototype I built for your project requirement. I would like to give you thanks in advance for taking time to go through this video demo. You have I, I guess 3 API endpoint that you want. At this stage, I am just demonstrating the first one, which is getting uploading files with post request. So I would like to show you step by step. So let me start my server first. So on the screen at the bottom, as you can see, I'm going to start these are all the files for this API endpoint. So I have several folder. So one thing I would like to show you is cat config.env. So here I have set a basic username, my name, and password same to my username, and that is API token for pre-device LLM. And so as you can see, I already have that set up in my env environment variable file. Beside that, and I have a folder here, ls storage. So basically it has all the files. I'm going to delete all of that now because that represent the server folder. So I'm going to delete all of that. rm storage, okay, sudo rm -rf storage. Okay, so now the storage folder is deleted. So our API endpoint will automatically create that directory to store the files if it is not already created. So we don't need to worry about now. So I'm going to run this program now. ub, yep, and main app reload. Okay, so as you can see, our server Ubiquin server has started. Now I'm going to do the first request. Before I do my first request, I am going to show you authentication if it is working or not. As you have seen my username and the password already, so I'm gonna set the wrong password here. So I'm going to set something random and send request. Okay, I need to do something before I do that. Let me go to body, and in the form as field value should be file. Yeah, that should be all right. Okay, go back, and okay, let me try again, send. So as you can see, we are getting this response, incorrect username or password. Okay, let me get password right, and the random username. Okay, we're getting the same response again, incorrect username or password. Okay, this time I will get this right. So now username and password is right, but I'm going to send something, a file which is not PDF or pptx or docs file. So let me select something which doesn't fulfill our requirement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to document and create a file, a random file, touch test.jpg. Okay, so, and I'm gonna select that from here. Random file, that is not here. Go to parts document. that? Just a moment, I'm sorry, I'm very bad at finding things. Yep, it's here. And I'm gonna select the file type .jpg because it should not accept that. Okay, so let's do the test. Okay, we get the response invalid file type, only docs, ppt and pptx and pdf files are allowed. Okay, that's working. So now let's go and send our real file that we want to test. So I'm gonna send first the doc file, test file1 docs. Okay, so I've selected my text file and I would like to make this bigger and also like to open that file from here. Okay, so it's not. Yeah, so this is the file I'm sending now. As you can see, you can read about the content, and I'm gonna make a request. Send. So as you can see, we got the extracted text from the file, which is we can read here. And it is taking some time to get the response from our LLM endpoint. In this meantime, we can wait. We can see, okay, look, so this is a summary written by LLM, and as you can see, we got this summary from LLM, and we can see the response here, response object. So message file test file1 docs come uploaded successfully. We'll check that, and this is the file name and the summary, as you can see that, and the file ID. Okay, so let me cancel out of that and ls storage, and we can see our file is there. Now I'll go back and try to send this again, because one of your requirement is there should be no duplication. I'm trying to send the same file again, and we can see the response file already exists. Okay, so now let's go with PDF file. I'm going to select the PDF file, test file -2, and that PDF file okay, now let me send the request. Okay, we're getting yeah, this is the extracted text from file, but the summary is written by the LML is empty as of now. So well, sometimes it doesn't give me a response. That needs to be I need to work on that. Now finally let's do PPT, the PPTX, which is reading the PPTX, and send, and a summary written by LLM. That's the summary. Now let's go and check our database. I'm cancelling that, and first of all, so these are the file stored in our storage folder now. And I'm also going to open my MongoDB server here. Mongoose and so database. I use file and so collections files find. So we can see these are the document we have now. The first one is the summary by the LLM. The second one has summary empty. So we can do something about it. If we don't get the summary from LLM, we can use like 100 extracted text file to go here in this field. When we don't get the summary from LLM, that can be done. And we have this last document object there. So this is it, and there are a lot of things that we can improve. Please let me know if you would like to work with me. Thank you.